Just like we left off in the last training, after it asked if I wanted to create an invoice out of the quote, and I clicked yes, it didn't directly send the invoice to the client. Instead, it first created a draft, allowing for edits. You can delete or modify the draft as needed. For instance, here at quantity, if we needed 5 instead of 4 for this training, you could adjust it here. When finalizing, similar to order confirmations or offers, you'll get a summary of the invoice, including the date and details, which can still be edited. You can turn off or keep the settings as is if you want to send the invoice to the client. In this case, I finalized the invoice, and it was sent to Donieta. Clicking on the invoice opens it up. Here, you can see the invoice was sent, and the second page includes a QR code for payment. Payments can be added manually, but if your bank account is connected, the system will automatically update the status to paid once payment is received. For cash payments, you can still manually mark the invoice as paid, as shown in this case. You can also export data or statistics. Various filters are available. Also, just enter a keyword, such as an invoice number like 00574 or a name like Donieta, and the system will display all relevant documents. This is essentially the invoicing module, which has extensive features. Changing the app language under settings translates everything, including invoices, reports, emails, and templates. Let me switch back to English language. The recurring invoices function is quite similar. Here, you can set a schedule for when these invoices should be sent. There are different delivery options, and you can choose to finalize them manually or automatically if you prefer. Manually, everything would change: the date, the invoice number, and so on. It would just be for you to click on send again in case there was something else you need to add or remove from the invoice. You can save these as templates. The Numarics app makes creating beautiful, functional invoices incredibly easy. Thank you.